lowering the risk, specifically creating sliding scale payment for the offers. Oh, can you please talk about sliding scale tips or tricks, pitfalls to avoid? Yeah, Nicole, you here?
I am.
Hello.
Hello.
I have a whole ebook about this called Pay What You Can, which is specifically about workshops. So that's the thing I'd most recommend. I've also got a playlist on YouTube with some thoughts about this for free. So that's the main thing. Now, have you checked out that ebook or any of those videos?
I have. Yes, and I like the idea of pay what you can. My question came out of a recent experience that I had being on the receiving end of the opportunity for a sliding scale. And the wording was about the artist. So it's a mending, someone who does mending. And it talks about at this price, I will get paid this much. At this price, I will get paid this much. At this price, as opposed to here's a price for you if you are this. So it was not about me, it was about her. And I just would love your take on that idea. I know that it fits into the pay what you can, but it's also a very specific, there's almost reason behind the suggestions of each sliding scale.
It sounds like you liked it.
I did, and I hope that it can work in my world. But
yeah, it's not exclusive. I mean, basically, whether it's barter or gift economy or pay what you can or sliding scale or whatever it is, we're letting them make some decision on their own instead of giving a fixed price. I do think it's helpful to give people some orientation. It's very stressful to be on the receiving end of just pay me whatever.
Yeah.
But I don't even know what to base that on. I don't know what other people charge. Yeah, I don't know how much you get from this. I don't know what the profit margin is. So like if I pay you a certain amount, maybe you lose money. Like
exactly.
So it is very stressful. So I would just say that's right on target. It's, I love that way of framing it. When I do my day-long workshop, I say, look, if you want to just pay a flat fee, it's $200. You can do a 3-pay of 67, or you can just do pay what you can with a $25 deposit. It's up to you.
Right.
Right. So, I give people actually 3 options. It's not just a straight pay what you can.
Right.
And so, by the way, if any of you are thinking about doing workshops on a pay what you can basis, just get my ebook. It's good. It's worth it. You got 50% off. I think is it on a pay what you can basis itself? Anyway, I can't remember. Get it. Because this will save you pain in doing this. There's not a lot to know about how to do it right. There's a lot of ways to do it wrong.
Well, and that's the other thing is like, if you could think of like the main pitfall to avoid, or because to me, it just seems like a win-win for everyone. It lowers the risk. And because I'm giving options, I'm not throwing the risk of choosing wrong back in their lap. So I don't see anything wrong with it. I mean, unless everyone chooses.
There's nothing right. There's nothing wrong, and there are downsides to it. I mean, there's upsides and downsides to everything.
Of course, yeah.
But yes, good wishes on that. Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you. I'll probably just have a go and let you know how it goes.
Please do. That sounds
Thank
great.
you.